In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load an AutoCAD plugin. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to get a Lisp plugin up and running so you can start using it right away. First, make sure you've downloaded your Lisp file plugin from a trusted source. A typical Lisp plugin will have a file extension like .lsp, and sometimes it may come inside a compressed archive. If it's zipped, extract it first so you have the actual .lsp file ready to use. Save it somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or your downloads folder, and keep the file name as is unless the developer suggests otherwise. This helps AutoCAD and any documentation you're following stay in sync. Next, locate the folder where the plugin was saved. Open your File Explorer and navigate to the folder you chose when you downloaded it. If you're not sure, your browser likely put it in the default Downloads folder. Take a quick moment to confirm you're looking at the actual .lsp file and not a shortcut or a compressed file. If you can see the file extension, even better, it should show .lsp. Now, open AutoCAD and make sure you have a drawing open. Loading usually works best when you're in the main drawing area. Position your windows so you can see both the AutoCAD drawing window and your File Explorer at the same time. Click and hold the Lisp file in your File Explorer, then drag it directly into the AutoCAD drawing area and release the mouse button. AutoCAD will recognize the plugin and prompt you to confirm. You may see a security notice asking if you want to load the application. Read the prompt, and when you're comfortable that it's the correct file from a trusted source, click Load or confirm the action. AutoCAD will then install and load the plugin. That's all there is to it. From here, the plugin's commands are available within AutoCAD. Many Lisp plugins come with a README or a short list of commands, so keep that handy to know exactly what to type or where to find new functions. If nothing seems to happen after loading, double-check that you drag the actual .lsp file into the drawing area and that AutoCAD was the active window when you dropped it. As a final tip, keep the plugin file in a safe, memorable location so you can find it again later. And always download from reputable sources to ensure your AutoCAD environment stays secure and stable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly loaded AutoCAD plugin.